In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to snap a high-resolution screenshot of a Sketchfab 3D models. To get started, go to Sketchfab Lab Experiment website and simply select the Screenshots feature. Then, copy the link of your uploaded 3D model in Sketchfab. Head back to the website and click Load 3D Scene. Choose from URL and paste the link, followed by clicking the Load button. Now, you can download your 3D model screenshot with a transparent background. This handy technique will undoubtedly elevate the quality and presentation of your projects. I hope you find this video informative and valuable. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to support my channel and stay updated with future videos.